Who likes to sit? Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. Boo-boo. Right. Hi. Hi. You like to sit by yourself. Well, excuse you. Who likes to sit by himself? Whoops. I knew that was coming. Here, lay down. Lay down for a second.